loving this. I feel like such a princess with this hair. Like, I love this. This is so pretty. Like, this is beautiful. I love this. I'm getting high, close to my to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. I create beauty, lifestyle, self-care, and healing content. If any of those interest you, then definitely make sure you subscribe before you leave and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So today I'm here with another hair review. So I did get this 28 inches. Yes, 28 inches of just pure beautiful body wave hair. So this is from Yolissa hair. This is a U Part wig. Y'all know that's my slay. It's the only thing that I get along with, that I know how to do properly. And there is a shortage of like lace supply because of, you know, Corona. But anyways, this is my preferred style anyways. So out of all the hair reviews that I have done, you guys have known I have been looking for like a mermaid hairstyle for a while. Like, I wanted some really long Pocahontas vibes look that I just was not achieving. And it's because I just wasn't getting long enough hair. This is the first time I've ever gotten hair this long, you guys. Like, I've never gotten hair this long before, but I'm loving it. So my curls are different than what you're gonna see in the video, because after I curled my hair with the curling iron, which I don't think I'm a big fan of, honestly, I think I'm gonna return it. I went outside to take pictures. I didn't put my hairspray on, hair dyed. And I need to come back and make this intro, so I just threw in some really messy wand curls really quick, but I'm loving it. It looked really pretty with the curls too, so I don't know, I might try to make it work. But either way, let's just go ahead and get into the install and the styling. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Hey you guys, so we're jumping right into the video, and hair look a little cray-cray right now, but we are about to get it right. So first of all, I definitely do want to shout out Yolissa hair and say a really huge thank you for sponsoring this video. So when you get your hair, it is going to come in a package like this, and I was a little bit surprised with everything that they gave you in the box. So your hair comes in, just smudged my lip gloss. So your hair does come in this Ziploc bag. It tells you the density and the length of your wig. So I did get the 200% density 28-inch body wave U Part hair. This is the longest length of extensions I've ever gotten in my entire life, but you know, I feel like my itch for the Pocahontas vibe was not satisfied this summer, so in fall we're going for it. Okay, so this is the wig. It is a U Part wig. It does come with a little thing that attaches right here, but I already cut it off because I did dye my hair black. So this is it, dyed, freshly washed, and air dried, so you can see the natural texture of it. It does have like that loose little wave look, so I really like it. So if you ever go swimming or anything, when it dries, it's going to be really pretty. So this is the construction of the U Part wig. It does come with the clip-in wig combs. So it has one right here, one in the middle. It has two on the sides. It also has one in the back, as well as the drawstrings as well that you can tighten up. So also in your package, you are going to receive this super cute scarf. I'm not sure if it's the same pattern in all of the boxes, but I was like, you know, a girl can never have too many headscarves, okay? So yeah, this one is really cute too. I want to see how. Okay, so this is like a little edge layer scarf. It's not like a full scarf. I thought it was like a full scarf, but it's not. So it's one, you know, if you want to play your edges real quick. But this is really cute, and I like it. And it's like good material. It's like double layered. It's double layered. It's not just like one. So that's pretty dope. It also comes with a wig cap. You can never have too many wig caps. Obviously, I'm not going to need it for this video because it's a U Part wig. It comes with the care instructions for your hair. They also did give you an elastic band. Oh, it didn't really hurt. Comes with an elastic band if you want to attach this for extra security. And of course, it had to come with a silk drawstring to store your hair. And I have recently been loving having these a lot more than just the box, because the box takes up a lot of space. But if you're someone like me, you do like to store your units, like, you know, so you know which one is which. Especially for me, when people ask me like, oh, where'd you get your hair from? At least I can say, oh, I pulled it out of this box, so I know it's from this company. But yeah, so they give you a little silk bag. I really do like these because, you know, you can just minimize the bulk when you're storing your units. So, and I am going to be curling the hair. It would be efficient if I plugged in the curling iron. So originally I wanted to cut layers into this hair, and I actually think I'm going to, like, just around the face, nothing too drastic because I want to keep the length of the hair. So we got the scissors, we got everything we needed. Now my hair is already braided, already sectioned out into, you know, where I'm gonna put everything. So I'm just gonna get this up out of the way really quick so I can apply the wig. And for anyone who's gonna ask about my braiding pattern, it's just something really simple, just going back, and then I braided this up in the back and kind of just like flipped it under to keep here secure. And I typically like would wrap it around like this, but super easy, super simple. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not really a fan of the combs on the side. I rather like the sliding combs, so I am gonna switch those out, but I just wanted to show you guys. And this hair is so long. I have like pajama pants on right now, but I'm gonna still show y'all really quick. Like, it's super long, like long. It's so long, but I love it. So, all right, wigs on, wig secure. It's not going anywhere. So, you know what? I'm not gonna fuss today about doing the layers. Actually, nope, I'm lying. I want to do them today. Okay, so I'm gonna review the hair while I'm like cutting it and stuff. So, I did dye this hair. And while I was done, while I was shampooing it, I do have to give this hair major props because why do I keep getting out of focus on my camera? Get it together. I will give this hair major props because shedding was literally so minimal. So this hair is super long. So, you know, even if it had like 5 strands of hair, it will look like a lot of hair because it's so long. Not even that. Like, when I say shedding was almost non-existent. I think I want to layer this, like, just like this much of the hair to give some shape. And let's make sure we're not cutting my hair. So, okay, so my hair stops about out here. So I'm just gonna layer it like slightly. So yeah, shedding was literally minimal, like almost non-existent, and I was very like surprised. I was very surprised. So it's not a lot of layers, but I feel like it'll be enough to give me that look I'm going for once I curl my hair. So, okay. Hair stops about here. Okay. This hair is very soft. Like, I'm not gonna lie, out of all the hairs that I have been reviewing, over, you know, this lockdown and stuff like that. This has been like the best quality hair I've like come into in a long time. Like the quality of this hair is honestly just amazing, which I'm very, very happy about. It's very lightweight. Like I was kind of scared because it's so long that it was going to be like so heavy and so hot, but like I love the density of it. I definitely don't feel like it's too thin or anything like that, but it's super lightweight, and like I definitely love that. Like this just, it feels so good. I just cannot get over how good this hair feels. But so far, quality is honestly just, it's A1.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Finally, I feel like this is my true essence. Like this is what it's always supposed to look like. I have like a very boho soul, you guys. You don't understand. Like I am the girl that will wear a dress every single day of her life. Like I'm the girl that like I love super long hair on women. Like I love femininity, you guys. I love being feminine. I love being a woman. I love doing all the things that are like reserved for a woman. I truly do. So when it comes to long hair, hence my growth oil, that's just why I'm like obsessed with hair growth. It's because like I just can't wait for my natural being, my natural hair to get to this length. Like to like this is me. This is all me. Because I just feel like that's what I was always meant to look like. Like that's just, it's my thing. Everyone has their own thing, and like super long hair, like that's just my love. That's my passion. That's just, I feel like that's my true identity. So that's why I've been here on YouTube for ages trying to get to waist length hair.
Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Supposed to be a hurricane on the way, which I really hope. I really hope, because I got things planned in the next couple weeks, and if Miami gets hit, whoo, that is just not gonna work out. Okay, so I'm all done curling the hair now. So these are like the layers that I cut, and then this is the hair. So really it's just like the very bottom, but I am going to comb the curls out to get the look. You guys, this hair is just beautiful. Like, so beautiful. So I'm gonna just comb out the curls. Gonna do it on this side too. This is what the curls are looking like, and they are so beautiful. I'm gonna stand up and give you like a better look, but yes, okay. This curling iron did not disappoint. Definitely got the look that I was going for. Okay. I was a little bit worried at first, and not gonna lie. This side I feel like is more layered than over here, so I definitely might go back and put more layers. I am gonna go back and like layer this hair more, but yo, I'm loving this. So pretty. I can't get over it. But before we go any further, I'm gonna take my edge booster And we're just gonna you know, tidy up these edges, make them look a little bit more presentable for the people. This is literally like the goddess vibes I've been trying to achieve for so long. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. And no, you don't have to have super long hair to have that goddess vibe about you. Just me personally, I feel like I look like a goddess with super long hair. That's all that is. Okay guys, so this is what the hair is looking like. Like, I need to get my curl game on point. This side is giving me like the look that I'm going for. This side is a little bit janky right now. Just a little bit. Okay. But this hair is beautiful. And yeah, the curls are perfect. The curls are definitely like mermaid vibes. The texture, like, I need y'all to get into it. And like the luster on the hair is very natural as well. That's what I love. Like it blends in with my hair's natural luster. Like, you know, it's not like the wig is like super shiny and my hair is dull. Like it's like a medium luster in the hair, and it just it's beautiful. Like this hair is so freaking beautiful. I love it. Okay guys, so all of the links and all the details to this hair will be in the description box, so definitely make sure you check it out. And I will have, of course, the direct link to this specific wig. I'm so happy right now. I'm so freaking happy. I think this is the first time I've been this excited about a unit overall in like a very long time. Like everything is perfect. The density is perfect. The hair quality is perfect. The ends are perfect. Like it's thick throughout the ends, but it still gives that natural like tapered look. It's not super heavy at all. Like it's really light even though it's a lot of hair. Like this is perfection. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, love.